up and talk quick because my camera is literally dead. But in today's video, we're going to be working with Nadula hair. And you guys, I'm jacking this hair. I feel like you guys are tired of hearing me say that, but when I say it, just know I mean it. Like, y'all, this hair is bomb. This hair was given asymmetrical bob, but it was given, for me, it was making me look a little too, I don't know, I wasn't really jacking this. I was like, let me do the swoop bang and just wear it like that. But y'all, I'll probably eventually cut this so it could be even, you know, because I don't want people to think I cut my hair uneven or whatever. But y'all, I am in love with this style. It's jet black. It's, you want to be in the camera all the time. I am in love with this style, y'all. This style is giving like grown. Like, it's giving grown. I haven't done short hair. I haven't done short hair like this in a long time. So I'm obsessed with this look right now. I'm about to go take some pictures. I'm feeling myself. I also have on my lashes. These are the Style K. I believe this is 22mm. But y'all, this hair is fire. This hair is fire. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done short hair. And this made me feel like, I might just do short hair more often, you know? And I'm loving the way I did this baby hair. Oh, right? Yay! I'm loving the way I did the baby hair. But y'all, hold on, wait. In the beginning of this video, I was going through a lot. I felt like I had bad luck in the beginning of this video. The part was on the wrong side. Meanwhile, I only plucked this side, so then I had to stop the video and go and pluck this side because I figured it was on the right side, so why not just only pluck one side? So I had to do all that, over. And then, y'all, my glue was not coming out, so I'm like, okay, maybe if I squeeze it harder, it's gonna come out because that's what I usually do and it usually works. Y'all, the glue busted all over me. I wiped myself down with alcohol and it's like nothing was ever really there. The outfit's not even sticky, nothing. I scrubbed myself down with alcohol, so I smell like mad alcohol right now. I don't care though, because it got me so tight. I was over it. I was about to say one more thing happened. It's clip for this video. I feel like it was worth it because this hair really, honestly, I can honestly say, y'all, you ever feel like you plan to do something and when you do it, it don't turn out the way it's supposed to be? This is the first time in a long time I can say a hairstyle actually turned out the way I want it to look. And y'all, I'm jacking it. I'm feeling myself. All the details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, this is Nadula hair. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Say bye.